Hi there, this is Chris Brown with KCAD's Digital Art and Design Department to introduce the Augmented Reality Framework. This framework was put together for a single purpose to have a web app that a user can point their device through the camera at a printed image, and it will recognize the image and trigger an augmented reality response and overlay and track a video playing on top of the image. So the user can move their device around and see the image or the video kind of move around and stick with the image that's printed out, like a poster on the wall or a flyer or something like that. So we can actually test this and see it working inside of a browser. Right now I'm on a laptop. It does have a camera, so I can go ahead and click go. Takes a moment to initialize. And hello, here I am in my kitchen, summer afternoon, and I have with me a paper printed on it a image of KCAD here. So as I lift it into view, you can see the software recognize it and starts playing a video on it.
Entertainment art.
Move it around.
3D entertainment art.
I can pull it out of view.
Assets for
stops playing. If I pull it back into view,
apps, games, AR,
starts playing
and
right in
VR.
the same spot. So the tracking works a little better if it's on a stiff piece of paper or cardboard. This one's a little bendy. And also if we're using the device and the target is stationary, moving the device around, instead of right now where my laptop is stationary and moving the target around. But nonetheless, still works pretty well. Can be improved upon. So I'm going to go ahead and hit back to go back to our splash screen. And what we'll have is a series of videos that will go through the details of this framework and how to use it. So I'll start off talking a little bit more about the web app itself and some of the technology that we use to put it together, along with some of the augmented reality. And then I'll show you where you can download the application folder, and we'll go through the file structure, talk about what files do what within the application. And then we'll talk about preparing your assets, different things regarding what kind of images make a good image target, and different things we'll want to consider when preparing your video as well. And then I'll show you how to actually use the framework locally on your machine to launch it in a web browser and see it working, so you can start to tinker with it. And then I'll show you specifically how to use it as a template and replace the examples with your own work, the image target and the video, as well as the splash screen here, which can be turned into just about anything you like. And then I will show you how to set up multiple targets. So you could have an application that has multiple image targets inside of it that it could recognize and play multiple different videos. And then I'll show you a bit about the underlying web app setup, things like the icons and splash screens that'll need to be set up will show up in the installation process on different devices. And then finally, we'll go through how to actually publish this live on the internet through going through web hosting, and then how to send updates out to your users if you need to fix a bug or add a new feature. So I'll look forward to going through it all with you.